Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a sealed rigid tank initially holding a 21 pound mass (lbm) of air at a pressure of 21 psia, temperature of 71 degrees Fahrenheit. Additional air is pumped into the tank, causing the pressure to increase to 26 psia and a temperature to rise to 91 degrees Fahrenheit. Find the mass added to the tank, so that is the mass difference or change in mass. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the change in mass formula. Delta little m is equal to the final mass minus the initial mass. Step 4, find the final mass formula. So since it's air, we're going to assume it's ideal gas. So PV divided by RT. So the final pressure, volume, the air gas constant, and the final temperature. So we are missing volume and the gas constant, so we need to find them. So step 5, find the gas constant of air. This is found in your textbook, or you can Google search it. So it is 0.3704 psia foot cube per pound mass, and this R is Rankine. So let me just write that out for students, as the most common question that students ask is how come there are two R's? So why is there an R within the R? That's what most students ask. So this R represents the gas constant, this R represents Rankine. Step 6, find the volume formula. So V is equal to mRT divided by P. So we are given the initial mass, we just found the gas constant, we're given the initial temperature and the initial pressure. So step 7, find the volume. Since it's ideal gas, we need to convert the 71 degrees Fahrenheit to Rankine by adding 460. So this becomes 531 Rankine. So we plug it in, and our volume is 196.68 foot cubed. Step 8, find the final mass. So we just plug and play because we just found the volume, and they give us the final temperature and the final pressure from the question, and the gas constant is constant. So when you plug it in, your final mass is 25.05 pound mass. So step 9, find the change in mass. 25.05 lbm minus 21 lbm, that is 4.05 pound mass, or lbm, and that is the change in mass for this question. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Left click, and so click on the video option, and then click on the new option. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. hit the red square and snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.